I'm going to put down some dark color. The difference between the Spotter Petite and the Spotter is basically just the thicker handle. Makes it a little bit easier to control. You can use the very tip of the brush. It's going to create some very small little fine hairs on our little bee. So we'll do kind of a light gray at first, and we'll add some darker highlights, darker shadows and highlights in there. Our little orange areas on our bee. Leave some of that darker showing when you do this, so that you've got a little depth in your flower. And then let's give it some little feelers out the front here.